List of mammals of Iran. This list shows the IUCN Red List status of the 191 mammal species occurring today in Iran. 2 of them are critically endangered, 6 are endangered, 17 are vulnerable, and 5 are near threatened. Another 11 species are likely present. The following tags are used to highlight each species' status as assessed on the respective IUCN Red List published by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Order: Sirenia, manatees, and dugongs. Sirenia is an order of fully aquatic, herbivorous mammals that inhabit rivers, estuaries, coastal marine waters, swamps, and marine wetlands. All 4 species are endangered. Family: Dugongidae. Genus: Dugong. Dugong, D. dugongiu, presence uncertain. Possible vagrant. Order: Rodentia, rodents. Rodents make up the largest order of mammals with over 40% of mammalian species. They have 2 incisors in the upper and lower jaw which grow continually and must be kept short by gnawing. Suborder: Hystricomorpha. Family: Hystricidae. Genus: Hystrix. Indian crested porcupine, H. indica Lc. Suborder: Sciurignathi. Family: Sciuridae, squirrels. Subfamily: Sciurini. Tribe: Sciurini. Genus: Sciurus. Caucasian squirrel, Sciurus anomalus Lc. Subfamily: Caliciurini. Genus: Funambulus. Northern palm squirrel, Funambulus pennantii Lc. Subfamily: Zerini. Tribe: Zerini. Genus: Spermophilopsis. Long-clawed ground squirrel, Spermophilopsis leptodactylus Lc. Tribe: Marmotini. Genus: Spermophilus. Yellow ground squirrel, Spermophilus fulvus Lc. Family: Gliridae dormis. Subfamily: Leafiinae. Genus: Dryomes. Forest dormouse, Dryomes nightula Lc. Genus: Myomimus. Masked mouse-tailed dormouse, Myomimus personatus dd. Setzer's mouse-tailed dormouse, Myomimus setzeri dd. Subfamily: Glirinae. Genus: Glies. Edible dormouse, Glies Lc. Family: Dipodidae gerboas. Subfamily: Alectaginae. Genus: Alectaga. Small 5-toed gerboa, Alectaga alater Lc. Euphrates gerboa, Alectaga euphratica Lc. Iranian gerboa, Alectaga firuzi dd. Hudson's gerboa, Alectaga hudsoni Lc. Williams gerboa, Alectaga williamsi Lc. Genus: Pygeretmus. Dwarf fat-tailed gerboa, Pygeretmus pumilio Lc. Subfamily: Dipodinae. Genus: Dipus. Northern 3-toed gerboa, Dipus sagitta Lc. Genus: Jaculus. Blandford's gerboa, Jaculus blandfordi Lc. Lesser Egyptian gerboa, Jaculus Lc. Family: Spalacidae. Genus: Spalax. Lesser mole rat, Spalax leucodon Lc. Family: Calamicidae. Genus: Calamiscus. Zagros Mountains mouse-like hamster, Calamiscus balewardi Lc. Afghan mouse-like hamster, Calamiscus mystax Lc. Urar mouse-like hamster, Calamiscus urartensis Lc. Calamiscus elberzensis. Elborzensis calamiscus Lc. Family: Chrystidae. Subfamily: Chrystinae. Genus: Chrystulus. Gray dwarf hamster, Chrystulus migratorius Lc. Genus: Mesochrystus. Turkish hamster, Mesochrystus branti Lc. Golden hamster, Mesochrystus auratus Lc. Subfamily: Arvicolinae. Genus: Arvicola. European water vole, A. amphibius Lc. Genus: Blandfordimes. Afghan vole, Blandfordimes afghanus Lc. Genus: Elobius. Northern mole vole, Elobius talpinus Lc. Southern mole vole, Elobius fuscicapillus Lc. Transcaucasian mole vole, Elobius lutescens Lc. Genus Microtus. Gunther's vole, Microtus gantheri lc. Persian vole, Microtus irani lc. Balochistan vole, Microtus kermensis en. Altai vole, Microtus obscurus lc. Social vole, Microtus socialis lc. Transcaspian vole, Microtus transcaspicus lc. European pine vole, Microtus subterraneus lc. Common vole, Microtus arvalis lc. Major's pine vole, Microtus majori lc. Family Muridae mice, rats, voles, gerbils, hamsters, etc. Subfamily Diamiinae. Genus Acomes. Chirospiny mouse, Acomes cahirinus lc. Subfamily Gerbilinae. Genus Gerbilis. Swarthy gerbil, Gerbilis aquilus lc. Cheeseman's gerbil, Gerbilis cheesemani lc. Harrison's gerbil, Gerbilis mesopotamiae lc. Balochistan gerbil, Gerbilis nanus lc. Genus Myrians. Sundevol's gerd, Myrians crassus lc. Indian desert gerd, Myrians hurriani lc. Libyan gerd, Myrians libicus lc. Midday gerd, Myrians meridianus lc. Persian gerd, Myrians persicus lc. Tristram's gerd, Myrians tristrami lc. Vinogradov's gerd, Myrians vinogradovi lc. Zarodni's gerd, Myrians zarodni en. Genus Rhombomes. Great gerbil, Rhombomes oppimus lc. Genus Tattara. Indian gerbil, Tattara indica lc. Subfamily Murinae. Genus Apodmus. Persian field mouse, Apodmus arianus lc. Yellow-breasted field mouse, Apodmus fulviptus lc. Broad-toothed field mouse, Apodmus mysticinus lc. Black sea field mouse, Apodmus ponticus lc. Ward's field mouse, Apodmus wardi lc. Genus Golonda. Indian bush rat, Golonda elioti lc. Genus Mus. Macedonian mouse, Mus macedonicus lc. House mouse, M. musculus lc. Genus Nesocea. Short-tailed bandicoot rat, Nesocea indica lc. Genus Rattus. Brown rat, R. norvegicus lc introduced. Black rat, R. rattus lc introduced. Turkestan rat, R. turkestanicus lc. Order Lagomorpha. The lagomorphs comprise the families Leporidae and Ochotonidae. Though members can resemble rodents, and were classified as a superfamily in that order until the early 20th century, they have since been considered a separate order. They differ from rodents in a number of physical characteristics, such as having 4 incisors in the upper jaw rather than 2. Family Leporidae. Genus Lepus. Cape hare, L. capesus lc. European hare, L. europaeus lc. Tali hare, L. tali lc. Family Ochotonidae. Genus Ochotona. Afghan pika, O. rufescens lc. Order Erinaceomorpha hedgehogs and gymnures. The order Erinaceomorpha contains a single family Erinacidae, which comprise the hedgehogs and gymnures. The hedgehogs are easily recognized by their spines, while gymnures look more like large rats. Family Erinacidae hedgehogs. Subfamily Erinacinae. Genus Erinaceus. Southern white-breasted hedgehog, E. concolor lc. Genus Hemichinus. Long-eared hedgehog, H. auratus lc. Genus Paraechinus. Brandt's hedgehog, P. hypomelas lc. Order Soricomorpha shrews, moles, and solnodons. The shrew forms are insectivorous mammals. The shrews and solnodons closely resemble mice, while the moles are stout-bodied burrowers. Family Sauricidae shrews. Subfamily Crocodurinae. Genus Crocodura. G-melons, white-toothed shrew, C. G. mellini lc. Bicolored shrew, C. leucodon lc. Lesser white-toothed shrew, C. Suevolans lc. Iranian shrew, C. Susiana en. Zarodnese shrew, C. Zarodni lc. Subfamily Soracini. Tribe Nectigalini. Genus Neomes. Transcaucasian water shrew, and Shelkovnikovi lc. Tribe Soracini. Genus Saurex. Caucasian pygmy shrew, S. Volnachini lc. Family Talpidae moles. Subfamily Talpini. Tribe Talpini. Genus Talpa. Peter David's mole T. davidiana dd. Order Chiroptera bats. The bat's most distinguishing feature is that their forelimbs are developed as wings, making them the only mammals capable of flight. Bat species account for about 20% of all mammals. Family Pteropodidae flying foxes, Old World fruit bats. Subfamily Pteropodini. Genus Raucetus. Egyptian fruit bat, R. Aegyptiacus lc. Family Vespertilionidae. Subfamily Myotini. Genus Myotes. Long-fingered bat, M. Pipaxinii vu. Bechstein's bat, M. bechsteini in T. Lesser mouse-eared bat, M. blithii lc. Geoffroy's bat, M. emarginatus lc. Whiskered bat, M. mystacinus lc. Natterer's bat, M. nattereri lc. Schaub's Myotes, Myotes schaubi dd. Subfamily Vespertilionidae. Genus Barbastella. Eastern barbastelle, B. leucomelas lc. Genus Ectesicus. Bobrinsky's ceratine, E. bobrinskoi lc. Bottist ceratine, E. botti lc. Northern bat, E. nilsoni lc. Ceratine bat, E. ceratinus lc. Genus Hypsugo. Savvy's pipistrelle, H. savii lc. Genus Nyctalis. Greater noctule bat, N. Lasiopterus in T. Lesser noctule, N. lesleri lc. Common noctule, N. noctula lc. Genus Pipistrellus. Cool's pipistrelle, P. coolii lc. Common pipistrelle, P. pipistrellus lc. Genus Plecotus. Brown long-eared bat, P. auratus lc. Gray long-eared bat, P. austriacus lc. Genus Vespertilio. Party-colored bat, V. murinus lc. Genus Rhintesicus. Sindbat, R. nasutus lc. Subfamily Miniopterini. Genus Miniopterus. Common bent-wing bat, Schrebercii vu. Family Rhinopomatidae. Genus Rhinopoma. Lesser mouse-tailed bat, R. hardwickae lc. Greater mouse-tailed bat, R. microphyllum lc. Small mouse-tailed bat, R. muscatellum lc. Family Imballinuridae. Genus Taphosis. Egyptian tomb bat, T. perforatus lc. Family Rhinolophidae. Subfamily Rhinolophini. Genus Rhinolophus. Blasius's horseshoe bat, R. blasii lc. Mediterranean horseshoe bat, R. uriale in T. Baccara horseshoe bat, R. Bacharicus lc. Greater horseshoe bat, R. Pherumequinum lc. Lesser horseshoe bat, R. Hipposideros lc. Mehley's horseshoe bat, R. mehilii vu. Subfamily Hipposidirini. Genus Acilia. Trident leaf-nosed bat, A. tridens lc. Genus Trienops. Persian trident bat, T. persicus lc. Order Cetacea whales. The order Cetacea includes whales, dolphins, and porpoises. They are the mammals most fully adapted to aquatic life, with a spindle-shaped, nearly hairless body, protected by a thick layer of blubber, and forelimbs and tail modified to provide propulsion underwater. More than 14 species have been recorded within Iran's exclusive economic zone. Suborder Mystistae. Family Balaenopteridae. Subfamily Balaenopterini. Genus Balaenoptera. Say whale V. borealis en. Bride's whale B. ednei dd. Blue whale B. musculus en. Amira's whale B. amiri dd. Fin whale B. physalis en. Subfamily Megapterinae. Genus Megaptera. Humpback whale Megaptera novaenglii cr. Arabian Sea population. Suborder Odentosti. Superfamily Platanistoidea. Family Falconidae. Genus Neophacina. Finless porpoise Neophacina phacinoides dd. Family Delphinidae marine dolphins. Genus Sausa. Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin Sausa chiensis dd. Genus Steno. Rough-toothed dolphin Stenobridensis dd. Genus Tursiops. Bottlenose dolphin Tursiops aduncus dd. Genus Stenella. Spinner dolphin Stenella longirostris dd. Genus Delphinus. Long-beaked common dolphin Delphinus capensis dd. Genus Lagomorpha. Fraser's dolphin Lagomorpha hosi dd. Genus Grampus. Risso's dolphin Grampus griseus dd. Genus Pheressa. Pygmy killer whale Pheressa attenuata dd. Genus Pepinosephala. Melon-headed whale Pepinosephala electra dd. Genus Pseudoica. False killer whale Pseudoica crassidens dd. Order Carnivora carnivorans. There are over 260 species of carnivorans, the majority of which feed primarily on meat. They have a characteristic skull shape and dentition. Suborder Feliformia. Family Felidae. Subfamily Felinae. Genus Acinonyx. Cheetah A. jubatus. Asiatic cheetah A. j. venaticus cr. Genus Caracal. Caracal C. Caracal lc. Genus Felis. Jungle cat F. chaus lc. African wildcat F. libica. Asiatic wildcat F. L. ornata. Sand cat F. margarita lc. Turkestan sand cat F. M. thenobia. Genus Lynx. Eurasian lynx L. lynx lc. Genus Autocolobus. Palazes cat O. manuel lc. Subfamily Pantherinae. Genus Panthera. Leopard P. pardus vu. Persian leopard P. thaliana en. Family Herpistidae mongooses. Genus Herpestes. Small Indian mongoose H. Oropunctatus lc. Indian gray mongoose H. edwardsi lc. Family Hyenidae hyenas. Genus Hyena. Striped hyena H. hyena and T. Suborder Caniformia. Family Canidae. Genus Canis. Golden jackal C. aureus lc. Persian jackal C. A. aureus. Gray wolf C. lupus lc. Steppe wolf C. L. campestris. Indian wolf C. L. palipes. Genus Vulpes. Blandford's fox V. cana lc. Corsac fox V. corsac lc. Rappel's fox V. rupilii lc. Red fox V. vulpes lc. Family Ursidae bears. Genus Ursus. Brown bear U. arctos lc. Asiatic black bear U. thyptanus vu. Family Mustelidae mustelids. Genus Lutra. European otter L. lutra in T. Genus Marts. Beech marten M. foina lc. European pine marten Marts lc. Genus Meles. Eurasian badger M. meles lc. Genus Mellivora. Honey badger M. capensis lc. Genus Mustela. Least weasel M. nivalis lc. Genus Vormella. Marble polecat V. perigusna vu. Family Phocidae earless seals. Genus Pusa. Caspian seal P. caspica vu. Order Perissodactyla odd-toed ungulates. The odd-toed ungulates are browsing and grazing mammals. They are usually large to very large, and have relatively simple stomachs and a large middle toe. Family Equidae, horses, etc. Genus Equus. Onager E. hemionus int. Syrian wild ass E.H. hemipus ex. Indian wild ass E.H. cur int. Persian onager E.H. onager en. Order Artiodactyla, even-toed ungulates. The even-toed ungulates are ungulates whose weight is borne about equally by the third and fourth toes, rather than mostly or entirely by the third as in Perissodactyls. There are about 220 Artiodactyle species, including many that are of great economic importance to humans. Family Bovidae, cattle, antelope, buffalo, sheep, goats. Subfamily Antilopenae. Genus Gazella. Chincara G. bennetii lc. Goitered gazelle G. subgutturosa vu. Subfamily Caprinae. Genus Capra. Wild goat C. egagris and T. bezor ibex C. A. egagris. Genus Ovis. Mouflon O. g. millini and T. Armenian mouflon O. g. millini. Uriel O. vignae vu. Family Cervidae, deer. Subfamily Cervinae. Genus Cervus. Red deer C. elaphus lc. Genus Dama. Persian fallow deer D. mesopotamica en. Family Suidae, pigs. Subfamily Suinae. Genus Sus. Wild boar S. scrofa lc. Extirpated. The following species are locally extinct in Iran. Asian elephant Elephas maximus. Lion Panthera leo. Tiger Panthera tigris.